So you hit your VO video limit on Gemini? Don't worry! Let's explore how to keep creating without spending a dime. First tip, use alternative editing apps that complement Gemini. Look for free platforms to enhance your creativity. Next up, collaborate with friends or fellow creators. Sharing ideas can unlock fresh perspectives and techniques. Also, consider batch uploading. Create multiple videos in one go, managing your library more efficiently. Don't forget to explore social media for inspiration. Trends can spark new video ideas, keeping you in the loop. Finally, keep an eye on new updates to Gemini. They may roll out features to boost your video limits shortly. Now that you have these tips, it's time to unleash your creativity. Start implementing them today. Remember, the limit is just a number. Your creativity knows no bounds. Stay connected within the community for further tips and tricks. Inspire and get inspired. Want to dive deeper? Follow our channel for more engaging tips on video creation. That's a wrap. Get out there and start creating those amazing VO videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep creating.